So let's set up our proportion. What do we want to find? We want to find how long the distance will be on the map. How is the map's distance measured? In centimeters. So it's good to put the unit with it. And we know that x centimeters, we want to find out what it is for 1,400 kilometers. What do we know? We know the scale. What are we going to put on the top? Our scale is 1 centimeter is 200 kilometers. So am I going to put the 200 on the top or the 1 on the top?
1 on top.
1 on the top because that's our drawing and this. So notice again, we put the actual on the bottom and the drawing on the top. Notice how sometimes the actual's on the top and the drawing's on the bottom. It depends what we want to find. So this time we were finding something on the drawing, so we put the drawing on the top. Now if you multiply both sides by 1,400, 1 divided by 200 times 1,400, it'll be 7 centimeters on the map. Now this is one that I think you could do mental math. Does it make sense that if 1 centimeter is 200 kilometers, that 7 centimeters would be 1,400 kilometers? Okay, you just have to times it. So there are some of these that you can do shortcuts. You don't have to set up a proportion, but it's good to know how to set up the proportion, especially if the numbers aren't nice. We got to do part B. On the same map, the distance from Winnipeg to Toronto is 22 centimeters long. Now we want to find the actual distance. What are the units for the actual distance? Kilometers. We want to find out how many kilometers is 22 centimeters. We knew that 200 kilometers was 1 centimeter. So now we're putting the actual ones on the top, and we're putting the map or the drawing on the bottom, because this time we wanted to find an actual distance. And you multiply both sides by 22. And we would get 4,400 kilometers.